Number 17 states, suppose P and Q are equivalent sets, and P has 5 elements. In A, it is asking for the minimum number of elements in P or Q. So we have to find the least number of elements in P or Q. So let's say we were given the set. So we were given these two sets, and we can see that they both have 5 elements in each with the same elements. So it's asking the minimum number of elements in P or Q. So the minimum number of elements would be 5, since there's 5 elements here and 5 elements here. And it's the minimum number of elements. So 5 elements. For part B, it is asking for the maximum number of elements in P or Q. So we're looking for the largest number of elements in P or Q. So let's say we were given these two elements, these two sets. So to find the maximum number of elements in P or Q, we have to find the elements that are different in both P and Q. So for P, in this set, you have F, G, H, I, and J. And for Q, you have A, B, C, D, E, and E. A, B, C, D, and E. So they are both different, so that makes it to have 10 elements in P or Q. So there would be 10 elements if each element that's in P or Q are different. So you can see that right here. They're different. For part C, it's asking for the minimum number of elements in P and Q. So this time it's not or Q, it's and Q, so in both. So let's say we were given these elements, these sets. So to find the minimum number of elements in P and Q, we have to see what P and Q have in common. We can see that P has F through J here, and Q has A through E here. But none of them are the same, as you can tell. So the minimum number of elements in P and Q would be 0 elements. So there would be 0 elements if there are different elements of P and Q. So, yeah, these are different. And for the last part, D, it is asking for the maximum number of elements in both P and Q. So the largest number of elements you can find. So let's say we were given these two sets. So to find the maximum number of elements in P and Q, we have to see what these two sets have in common. So you can tell that P and Q have the same elements in their sets. So our answer would be 10, because there would be 10 if what's in P is also in Q. And we can see that because P has A through E and Q has A through E as well. So it's the same. So it would be 10 elements. They have to have the same elements in both sets.